What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this Vivo Pad3 Pro. Yeah, this is a China only edition. I know it's not gonna get a global release, but I'm doing this review because I wanted to let you know that there is a very nice, superb, amazing tablet available out there on the market and you're not gonna get your hands laid on that tablet. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will talk about all the specifications, the features. Especially, I care about 4 things of a tablet. It's a bit different than smartphones. In smartphones, I call it DCGB, display, camera, gaming and battery. But when it comes to a tablet, then it's a bit different. Again, it's the display because whenever we use a tablet, we definitely are going to use the display panel. Then performance matters, performance. Then battery, because battery performance of a tablet actually means a lot. And then finally, it's all about multitasking. What type of tasks can we do on a tablet? So we are gonna check DPBM. Well, before start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, I bought this tablet for myself, but after I have bought this tablet, Rachel has also started to use this tablet. We both have noticed that Vivo Pad3 Pro comes with one of the best IPS LCD panel. Yeah, I'd be very happy if Vivo Pad3 Pro came with an AMOLED panel, but even if it is an IPS LCD panel, the panel is one of the best. In some occasions, I have felt like this 13-inch IPS LCD panel reproduces colors better than my iPad. Because it's a 3K panel, it has a 2064 by 3096 resolution, which leads to a very high pixel per inch density. So the picture quality is pretty sharp, everything is crisp and clear, and it also goes very bright. Officially, Vivo claims that the display panel can go very bright up to 900 nits. Okay, we have tested and it actually goes very close to that 900 nits. So kudos to Vivo. Many other brands claims a lot of different numbers, which doesn't convert into real-life performance. Well, this display panel can reproduce 1 billion colors. It supports HDR10, 144Hz refresh rate, so we not only can enjoy or consume entertainment on this Vivo Pad3 Pro, we can also play games at a very high refresh rate. Talking about games, Vivo Pad3 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset. It's the same chipset that Vivo has used in their flagship Vivo X100 Pro. 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which can be extended by up to another 8GB, UFS 4.0 storage, MediaTek Dimensity 9300 SoC, along with a very big vapor chamber cooling system. Vivo Pad3 Pro has sometimes confused me. Is it a gaming tablet? Because in some occasions, it has performed better than some other gaming smartphones. You know, a few days ago, I have compared my gaming smartphones. I mean Red Magic 9 Pro, Asus ROG 8 Pro, iQOO 12, and in some occasions, I had to compare this Vivo Pad3 Pro with those smartphones because gaming performance of Vivo Pad3 Pro is as good as those gaming smartphones, if not better. I must repeat, in some occasions, it is truly better. The only issue is I really don't like to play games on a tablet, or it would be my gaming tablet. Vivo Pad3 Pro offers a very high and very stable frame rate. I have managed to play games with maximum graphics and frame rate settings, and even after playing games for hours after hours, I haven't noticed any lag, any frame drop or nothing. Okay, after 90 minutes the pad was a bit heated, but that's nothing compared to other tablets and gaming smartphones. Okay, like many other Vivo smartphones, Vivo Pad3 Pro also has this Ultra Game mode. So when a game is selected in Ultra Game mode, we have access to a performance panel. Inside the performance panel, we can select performance mode and we can also select our desired refresh rate, brightness, and we can do a lot other different settings to get a very smooth in-game experience. Actually, even if you don't do any tweaking, Vivo Pad3 Pro always offers a very smooth, buttery smooth in-game experience. And having a very good display panel, Vivo Pad3 Pro offers very much enjoyable, delightful gaming sessions. Okay, we can play games without any issue, but for how long? As the name suggests, Vivo Pad3 Pro, it's a flagship Pro-class tablet. Vivo has used a premium aluminum unibody which not only looks good but also has a very sturdy build quality. In terms of outlook and appearance, I'm gonna give this Vivo Pad3 Pro 10 out of 10. I know outlook and appearance is subjective, you may have different type of ideas, so let me know in the comment section what type of rating are you gonna give this Vivo Pad3 Pro for its outlook and appearance. When it comes to build quality, it's top notch. Some other reviewers may say it is Apple iPad class or Samsung Galaxy S series tablet class build quality, but I personally think the build quality of Vivo Pad3 Pro is actually better than iPad or Samsung Galaxy S series tablets. You really need to hold it in hand, you really need to experience it by yourself to understand how good is the build quality. Every cutouts, every curves, I believe everything is precisely designed to give this tablet a top-notch build quality. So yeah, one more time, 10 out of 10 for build quality. At the back, it's pretty clean like many other tablets. Yeah, Vivo has added their logo Vivo, and on the top right corner there is a very big rear camera block which consists of only a single sensor, so Vivo could have made the rear camera block a bit smaller. But I understand the designers of Vivo may have tried to give this Vivo Pad3 Pro a similar look. I mean, they have tried to make the camera block similar to the Vivo X100 series. Yeah, at the center bottom part, there are some pogo pins which is used by the external keyboard. So the external keyboard actually gets connected through the pogo pins. As it is not connected via Bluetooth, so there is no lags, no issues. When the pad is held in landscape mode, there are 4 speakers on each sides. Yeah, in total there are 8 speakers, 4 on the left, 4 on the right. The power button is also located on the left side. Yeah, the volume rockers are on the upper left corner, but when the pad is held in portrait mode, yeah, the volume rockers are on the upper left corner. On the upper right corner, there is a slot for the pen. We can use Vivo's proprietary pen along with this tablet, and as the pen gets magnetically attached to the tablet, it's very easy to recharge the pen and to carry it around. Yeah, there is a USB-C port on the right side, and that is a USB-C 3.2 port. So Vivo Pad3 Pro supports a very fast data transfer rate. And as Vivo Pad3 Pro comes with UFS 4.0 storage, I think the word fast is not good enough. It offers faster data transfer rate than most of the other tablets available on the market. Well, there are 2 camera sensors on this Vivo Pad3 Pro. One is at the back, that is a 13 megapixel Hynix sensor, and there is another 8 megapixel sensor located on top of the display panel. When held in landscape mode, the camera sensor is at the center, so we can easily use the face unlocking option without any issue. The selfie sensor or the front facing sensor, whatever you call it, again it is another sensor from Hynix. Vivo Pad3 Pro is equipped with a 11,500 mAh battery pack. That's massive. Sometimes I feel like that's ludicrous because it is very difficult to drain the battery of Vivo Pad3 Pro. All the MediaTek chipsets are known as energy efficient chipsets, and as Vivo Pad3 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9300, Vivo Pad3 Pro is really an energy efficient tablet. Me and Rachel, we both have a very heavy usage pattern, though we have managed to squeeze up to 15 hours of screen on time. Sometimes, yeah, when we have played games in a row, like I have played 2 hours and then Rachel has played 2 hours, in that type of scenarios, we have managed to play games for like 5 hours and 40 minutes. That's even a very big number, considering no other tablets has offered us anything beyond 4 hours. Well, 11,500 mAh is a very big battery and it should take a bit of a time to recharge this tablet, right? Maybe 2 hours or 3 hours? What do you think? It only takes 1 hour and 32 minutes to fully refuel the fuel tank of Vivo Pad3 Pro. Cause Vivo Pad3 Pro comes with a 66-watt charger, a very efficient power brick, and using that power brick, we have managed to recharge the tablet within 92 minutes. Before I talk about the accessories and multitasking thing, I want to talk about the speakers. Vivo Pad3 Pro supports Dolby Atmos, and all the 8 speakers it has performs like a beast. It goes very loud, and even at the full volume, There isn't no distortion, it offers crystal clear sound quality. Let's listen to some music and then you decide by yourself how good is the performance of Vivo Pad 3 Pro's speaker setup. Well, finally, yeah, there are many different accessories that we can use with Vivo Pad 3 Pro. There is an official keyboard which we can buy to attach with our Vivo Pad 3 Pro to convert it to a 2-in-1. I mean, like a tablet and a laptop. Vivo Pad 3 Pro has this Origin OS 4 HD, which is a China exclusive OS of Vivo, and it is actually a skin on top of Android 14. I have said this in many of my videos. I personally believe Origin OS is even more optimized than Oxygen OS. You need to experience it by yourself. We can do a lot of multitasking on Vivo Pad 3 Pro. We can even open 4 different applications at the same time. 2 in split window mode and 2 other in floating window mode. It is capable of handling all different type of workloads, all different type of office workloads, and even if you want, you will be able to do some video editing on this Vivo Pad 3 Pro. Well, that's all about the best tablet available on the market that you cannot buy, Vivo Pad 3 Pro. Do you agree with me that Vivo should start releasing their top tier products in the global market? Like last year, they didn't release Vivo X90 Pro Plus. This year, they're not gonna release Vivo X100 Ultra. And yeah, the Vivo Pad 3 Pro along with Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. Nothing is going global. I think you, me, all together, we should raise our voice. We should let Vivo know we are ready to buy your best products. If it performs, then please release it in the global market. Okay. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.